Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best HP laptops that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The HP Dragonfly G4 13.5 is a cutting-edge convertible laptop designed for business professionals seeking top-tier performance and security. Equipped with a robust 13th Gen Intel Core i7 processor, boasting up to 10 cores for enhanced efficiency and multitasking prowess, this laptop is ideal for demanding tasks like video conferencing and data analysis. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it offers optimized security features tailored to business needs. The Dragonfly G4 features a vivid 13.5-inch touchscreen display with options for WXGA+ or OLED panels, providing vibrant visuals and touch functionality. It comes standard with 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, expandable to 32GB, ensuring seamless multitasking even with complex applications. Storage options start at 512GB PCIe NVMe SSD, scalable up to 2TB for ample file storage. Security is paramount, with features like a fingerprint reader and Windows Hello facial recognition ensuring data protection. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 6E for fast internet access and Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless peripheral connections. Weighing just 2.8 pounds, it's highly portable. With up to 17.5 hours of battery life, the Dragonfly G4 supports extended workdays and travel without frequent charging. While it's not tailored for heavy gaming or professional video editing due to its integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics, it excels in professional environments where performance, portability, and security are top priorities. Ports include 2 Thunderbolt 4 with USB 4 Type-C, 1 SuperSpeed USB Type-A, 1 HDMI 2.1, and a stereo headphone and microphone combo jack, providing versatile connectivity options. Overall, the HP Dragonfly G4 13.5 is a powerhouse for business users seeking a blend of performance and mobility. The HP Omen 16 RTX 4060 with Intel 13th Gen Core i7 13700HX is a formidable gaming and creative laptop engineered to deliver exceptional performance and immersive visuals. Boasting a 16.1-inch Full HD display with a high refresh rate of 165 Hz and a quick response time of 7 milliseconds, this laptop offers fluid gameplay and vibrant visuals. Equipped with the 16-core Intel Core i7 processor, 64GB of DDR5 RAM, and a spacious 2TB PCIe NVMe SSD, it handles demanding gaming sessions and intensive creative tasks with ease. The standout feature of the Omen 16 is its NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB GDDR6 dedicated graphics card, ensuring smooth gameplay at maximum settings for popular titles like The Witcher 3, Fortnite, and Call of Duty. It's also VR-ready, enhancing the gaming experience further. Connectivity options include Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-A ports with HP Sleep and Charge, Ethernet, HDMI 2.1 output, and Wi-Fi 6E for high-speed wireless connectivity. Weighing 5.4 pounds, the Omen 16 strikes a balance between performance and portability, making it suitable for gamers and creative professionals on the go. The backlit keyboard with customizable RGB lighting adds a personalized touch, complementing the overall gaming experience. In summary, the HP Omen 16 RTX 4060 Core i7 is a powerhouse laptop designed to meet the demands of gaming enthusiasts and creative users seeking uncompromising performance and versatility. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 is a sleek and lightweight laptop crafted for productivity and mobility. Weighing under 2.2 pounds, it's one of the lightest 13-inch laptops available, featuring a magnesium aluminum alloy chassis with recycled ocean plastic, ensuring durability while being environmentally conscious. Equipped with a 13.3-inch WXGA 1920x1200 or 2.5K 2560x1600 IPS display, boasting a 16:10 aspect ratio, the Pavilion Aero 13 delivers a vivid and expansive viewing experience, ideal for multitasking and content creation. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5625U processor, paired with 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a 512GB SSD, it provides ample performance for everyday computing tasks. The Pavilion Aero 13 features a backlit keyboard and a fingerprint reader for enhanced security and convenience. It offers a comprehensive selection of ports including USB-A, USB-C with Thunderbolt 4 support, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack, catering to diverse connectivity needs. A standout feature of this laptop is its impressive battery life, with HP claiming up to 10.5 hours on a single charge, making it an excellent choice for students and professionals seeking a laptop that can keep up with their busy schedules. In summary, the HP Pavilion Aero 13 strikes a fine balance between performance, portability, and battery life, making it a versatile option for users prioritizing mobility without compromising productivity. The HP Pavilion 15 with a 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U processor is positioned as a versatile mid-range option suitable for everyday computing needs. This laptop boasts a capable 10-core processor with 12 threads, offering commendable performance for tasks ranging from web browsing to light photo and video editing. Running on Windows 11 Home, the laptop likely sports a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen display with anti-glare properties, delivering crisp visuals and intuitive touch interaction. The integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics handles basic graphical tasks such as video playback and web browsing efficiently. Equipped with up to 16GB of DDR4 RAM and a spacious 1TB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, the HP Pavilion 15 ensures smooth multitasking and swift application loading times. This combination of memory and storage makes it ideal for users who frequently work with multiple programs simultaneously. Weighing approximately 3.5 pounds and boasting up to 8 hours of battery life, this laptop is portable enough for students and professionals on the go. It features a variety of ports, including USB-A, USB-C, an HDMI port, and a headphone jack, catering to diverse connectivity needs. Overall, the HP Pavilion 15 with the 13th Gen Intel Core i5-1335U processor is a compelling choice for individuals seeking a reliable and efficient laptop for everyday tasks, offering a balance of performance, versatility, and convenience in a mid-range package. The HP Victus Ryzen 7 5800H RTX 3050 is a formidable gaming laptop offering a compelling blend of performance and versatility. Powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 5800H processor featuring 8 cores and 16 threads with clock speeds up to 4.4 GHz, this laptop excels in demanding tasks such as gaming and content creation. The inclusion of an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card ensures smooth gameplay at 1080p resolution, with support for ray tracing for enhanced visual fidelity. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display, boasting a 144Hz refresh rate, delivers fluid and responsive visuals ideal for gaming enthusiasts. Accompanying this powerhouse is an impressive 64GB of DDR4 RAM and a capacious 2TB PCIe SSD, offering ample storage and snappy performance for multitasking and storage-intensive applications. The laptop features a sleek design characterized by a performance blue color scheme and a 3-sided narrow bezel display, enhancing its modern aesthetic. A backlit keyboard and numeric keypad further enhance usability, making it an attractive choice for gamers and productivity users alike. With a comprehensive array of ports including USB Type-C, Type-A, an HDMI port, Ethernet, and a headphone and microphone jack, the HP Victus caters to diverse connectivity needs. Overall, this laptop represents a compelling option for gamers and creative professionals seeking robust performance and feature-rich functionality in a mid-range gaming laptop.